In a strongly worded statement released today, the Campaign for Judicial Accountability and Reforms has condemned Centre's unexplained delay in appointing Advocate Swatashri Majumdar and Advocate Rajesh Dattar as High Court judges, despite their names being duly recommended by the Supreme Court Collegium. The organization called the move a violation of law laid down by the Apex Court itself in second judge's case in 1993 and third judge's case in 1998, which defined the framework for judicial appointments in India. Both advocates had recently withdrawn their consent for judgeship after their names were singled out and segregated from other names recommended alongside them, which were preceded and cleared. The organization stated that this picking and choosing of names by the executive has no legal sanction and amounts to a direct breach of Constitution's separation of powers. The organization went on to describe the delay in appointments as unconscionable. It noted that this is not the first time such a situation has occurred, recalling the 2022 case of senior advocate Aditya Sondhi, who similarly withdrew his consent after an unjustified delay. The organization has now urged the Supreme Court to take up the matter on its judicial side, pressing for a formal explanation from the union government. It also pointed to a writ petition pending since 2018 before the top court, which seeks a direction to ensure timely judicial appointments and to restrain the centre from unilaterally segregating collegium recommendations, a practice which, according to the organization, undermines the very foundations of judicial appointment process. The statement closes with a warning that the future of an independent judiciary is at stake. And while it appreciates the Collegium's recent efforts to bring more transparency, such as interviews with candidates, it cautions that all such efforts will be in vain if the union is allowed to stall or discard appointments of qualified candidates without any lawful justification.